In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Hebrew in Memrise. First, open the Memrise app on your mobile device or visit the Memrise website on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started or Sign Up. You can create an account using your email address or sign in with your Google or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the language you want to learn. Then scroll through the list and choose Hebrew. Next, Memrise will ask about your learning goals. This allows you to decide how much time you want to dedicate to learning each day. You can choose a short duration like 5 minutes or a longer session based on your schedule. After setting your goals, Memrise will introduce you to some basic Hebrew lessons. You'll start by learning essential vocabulary including greetings, numbers, and common phrases. Memrise uses flashcards, images, and audio recordings to help you memorize words and improve your pronunciation. As you progress, you will learn more advanced topics, including grammar rules, sentence structures, and practical conversational phrases. The app also includes practice exercises to reinforce your learning and enhance your listening and speaking skills. If you want to access additional features, such as offline learning or more extensive practice options, you can subscribe to Memrise Pro. To make learning Hebrew easier, try to practice regularly. You can track your progress and adjust your learning goals anytime in the settings menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.